Greeting everyone and Merry Christmas. Today is the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time for Malagay that United converts one of 925, the first game. Knockout match in the quarterfinal matchup. We are here hosting both. Congratulations, Mr. Watson, tonight's victory.
Well, second half certainly turned it out the way we hoped it would, but it was interesting because at halftime we felt like we played a really good first half, and even though we played a great first half, doing the things we wanted to do, they still had a 1-point lead, and that just goes to show how talented they are. They have just such great talent and balance around their lineup, and so many guys who can attack. So really, it really came down to us defensively, how well we played defensively. I thought we turned it up a little bit in the second half, played a little even better defense. But then it was I want to say it's the RJ show. He had a tremendous second half. But you can't forget Scotty, who ends up having a triple-double as well. So it was really a complete team exercise tonight.
What's your answer that I think delivering, especially in that fourth quarter, how it was him knocking down shots is critical time of your country?
Well, he's got that capability. We all know that, and we've seen it in the past. He can get going almost Steph Curry-like, where he can just find an area that's open on the floor and throw it up, and it's going to go in. And he came up with it. I actually complained to him a little bit in the middle of the second quarter, early in the second quarter. I told him he wasn't looking for a shot enough. He was passing the ball, and I said he needed to look for a shot more. And so he came out second half and looked for it, and it went in. I had the same problem with him oftentimes that I do with his uncle, Johnny, in the past. They want to be point guards. They want to be pure point guards, and both of them were really capable scorers, and they kind of forget that part of the game sometimes. So they need to be reminded, take a few shots. But it's his DNA is to be a point guard and set people up, but he's got a lot more ability than just your normal point guard.
Actually, sa kanya dito sa PBA, you can give shots, even in the playoffs ngayon, big those kung kailangan nyo pull away, Sir Thompson, talagang maiikat sa record time.
First of all, just playing the game and then just reading the game, yung mga binibigay sa akin ng defense. And remember the first half earlier, coach team went to me, like since he said I'm not looking for my shot and I'm not aggressive. So yun yung siguro tinatak ko sa utak ko, and then I keep reminding myself na hindi ako gumalaw or hindi ako makapag-contribute sa team kasi kami lang naman ang inaasahan dito. So I'm very happy and thankful sa mga coaches just to keep reminding kami na para maglaro na maayos. So yeah, hands up sa team and sa coaching staff namin.
Coach, very much. Coach, you held down one goal sa Villanueva to just 9 points, I believe, and Justin Arana to just 6 points. Obviously, that was a coach going to do.
Yeah, as I said earlier, I just thought it was a really complete team defensive job tonight. Juan came out, hit the first 7 points of the game, and we were like, oh no, here we go again. But I thought Scotty came out, played really, really tough. RJ came out, played in the second quarter, played really tough, and then Stephen had it for a little bit. So it was really like a tag team out there, and all three of them really, really worked hard. It's really hard to defend him, and it takes everybody to do it. And so, like I said, I just felt it was really a great team defensive effort tonight, and that was the difference in the game.
RJ, Mukhang binawian ko ngayon si Juan Gomez Villani dahil the last time 32 points siya kaya ito
Wala naman siguro sa mindset yun. So, sabi nga ni Coach Tim, lahat sila capable to score anybody until sa second or third stringer na. So, they have a lot of deep players and great individual skills. So, di naman kami tumitingin sa nililimit namin si Juan, nililimit namin si Balti or si Arana. We're not looking for that. We're just limiting them na parang makapag-contribute, not on the individual. So, we're glad and we're happy na na-contribute namin lahat, especially on defense. Lalo na yung second group at third group namin na nakapag-sustain sa mga players na alam mo yun, talaga alam mo pag pinasok ng converge is talagang gagawa for Coach Pineda. So, yun lang. Siguro nag-stick na kami sa system and naging greedy na kami until yung second quarter. And that's why nakuha siguro namin yung panalo.
Pero at least, familiar ka sa laro ni Juan dahil kasama ka na
Yeah, kasama kami sa Gilas before and I think sa Japan also nagsama din kami pero magkalaban. So we played overseas together. So yeah, medyo familiar sa isa't isa.
One last question. Coach, so do you see that this coming Jordan game will set up?
Every game is different. I think that's one of the things that we really try to emphasize. It's not going to be the same. We know that. They're really well coached. They've got some really, good minds over there. Coach Pineda has really proven himself that he knows what he's doing in this league with other leagues. They're going to come up, and I think they're young guys that are really going to try to come back and really push hard. So, it's going to be a different game. Basically, we know it's going to be different. It ain't going to be like this tonight. We're going to have to figure out a way to continue to defend them.
Salamat, Ernie. Ang conception ng nangyari.
Siguro, chinempuan na talagang pagod na kasi lahat ng players So, talagang nag-try siya mag-hit ng that's unnecessary for me. Talagang, to be honest, talagang nag-jump siya sa may stomach ko. So, pero this game, my game, so okay lang na ginawa niyo yun. So, just move on. Wala nang para sa akin.
Would that be motivation for the next game?
My motivation is to win. So, wala akong kaya sa nangyari. So,
Doesn't need extra.
Alright, that wraps it up for my Christmas